Hi, I'm Micah. I am from West Texas, Comanche, Texas. Now I stay in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Uh, the service I'm getting today is cleaning and looking to getting retainers. Usually, okay, this is like the only practice that I've found that's actually good with time frame, honestly, due to the fact that it's open late and I get off of work late, so it's very helpful for me not to worry about like if I need to take time off early or anything. I'm just like, all right, bye, I'm gonna go. Since I've been coming here since last year, very friendly, very friendly. I like it. I think what draws me every time I come in at the front, I just see like the One Piece drawing, and I love One Piece. I always come laughing every time. Super gentle. I would say they're very good with taking majority of insurance. Cause I was kind of skeptical because knowing that like my insurance is like still back home, I didn't know. But luckily they worked with it and they accepted it, and they also like make good like payment plans for stuff like, you know, I do have like some relatives that do come here too to get different kinds of work, and they work with them as well for, you know, financial means, which is pretty good. It's very beneficial. So I like it. And I was just talking to like my coworkers about this place. It's more of because since we all kind of get off of work late, if you don't have to stress about like, oh, am I gonna make it on time? They'll make time and help you with either whatever time frame you're good for. So I would say it's mostly time manageable.